What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're watching the daily vlogs of the life here in Myanmar. So I'm currently on my way to IKEA of Myanmar. It's called Sweetie Home Living Mall, and they have all the, you know, housing stuff. So I just want to go and window shop. So this Myanmar IKEA is a little bit sad because it's just empty showroom. Yeah, everywhere is just empty. So yeah, like I said, this place is literally empty. So you get the best shopping experience here in Myanmar. And there's a blackout. Only in Myanmar. Just to be clear, I'm not getting anything over here. I just want to window shop and see the experience here at this, you know, Burmese IKEA. You only need that kind of safe here in Myanmar, because everything you do is all cash transition. Alright, time to get a little something for my pet dog, Panda. Bought something for Panda. Anyway, while I was buying this, I found something interesting that I can share with you guys. So this is something that you guys might wanna, you know, take caution when you guys come to Myanmar. Currently, as of 2023, like, you know, right now at this moment, like stores, shops, and a lot of them, the market, they don't put up their price tag. Due to, you know, fluctuation in currency in exchange, and there's like a huge inflation going on, so they don't put up prices usually. So you need to double check with them to, you know, confirm the prices and all that stuff. So yeah, and I think this is one of the bad side of, you know, having you know, living in Myanmar market, because yeah, people usually buy even when the currency rate is low and they bought the products like in bulk. When the currency is high, they will just increase it. Even though they buy it, let's say they buy it at $1 and the currency become $2, they will still sell it at like the $2 price with a profit, like, you know, with a profit margin. So it's really bad. And yeah, this is something that, you know, we can't control, and the government is not doing that much of anything. So yeah, that's something you might want to take note when you guys come to Myanmar. Anyway, enough with the serious talk. I'm actually at a cafe, gonna grab myself a nice coffee, and then I'm going towards some plant shop to buy some, you know, indoor plants for my room. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along with that too. All the plants looks pretty good. I can't decide which ones I should get, so stuck. But I'm only getting one. I'm gonna just start off with one because yeah, I'm not a plant expert. So yeah, I just need to, you know, get myself better at taking care of plants just by getting one first, and then maybe in the future I'll expand. But look at these guys. They are all indoor plants and they look all They all look so beautiful. These. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god. Did you see the sparrow eating? They're having a feast. Panda. Mau sama mau. Panda. Panda. Ya. Kayak dong. Taruh. Shopping for today is done. I've got myself my first plant ever. They call it a lucky plant. So yeah, I'm just gonna name him Lucky. Lucky, I'm gonna put you in one of the corner, and then yeah, hopefully you don't die. And I got something else from the Burmese IKEA. So yeah, just gonna, you know, place these two up and then rest up for a while because it's really hot out here. I need myself that, you know, that iced coffee and what do you call that? I know that in like Singapore term, ice kacang, like shaved ice, was incredible. So yeah, but it's not enough. I need to get more drinks, maybe some water, something else. I'm gonna figure out something else. So hot, guys. Yeah, let me place Lucky at some part of this room and then yeah, see how it goes. Hopefully it survives. I know nothing about plants, so yeah, hopefully this doesn't die off that fast. I really like the stem of, you know, Lucky. So cute. I mean, so sophisticated. And yeah, leaves. Simple, green. Actually shooting an unboxing video. Wow, bro, give me one. iPhone 15, guys. Something that I can't get right now. Bro, imagine you drop that.
Yeah, bro. Fucking hell.
Alright guys, that is it for today's vlog. I'm going down for supper, but I don't think I want to bring my camera down there. But anyway, I just have like a one question. Do you guys like me like doing this kind of vlog, or do you want me to, you know, go to a specific place, travel or eat at a specific place and then do a vlog about that? or just, you know, me just sharing my daily life. So yeah, because I think uploaded two or three videos about that. They're doing pretty well, but yeah, I just wanna, you know what's the opinion, like what's your opinions like. So yeah, to let me know, put it in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.